No loans, no debt, no interest. Can you really build a strong credit score without borrowing money? Yes, and most people don't know this. Many believe you need loans or credit card debt to start building credit, but that's a myth. Most people don't know this. Credit bureaus care far more about consistency than borrowing. Building credit isn't about how much you owe, it's about how reliably you pay. Lenders want patterns, on-time payments, low balances, and steady behavior over time. Even small, regular payments matter more than big, one-time actions. Missed payments or high balances, even briefly, can quietly hurt your score. That's why freelancers and gig workers often struggle, not because they're irresponsible, but because their income doesn't fit the traditional model. The good news: you can build credit using money you already spend, without taking on risky debt or paying interest. Think of credit like a long game. Show up on time, every month, and your score follows. In this video, I'll show you practical, debt-free ways to build credit from zero. No loans, no shortcuts, just strategies that actually work. Here's what actually matters when building credit from zero: getting credit for payments you already make every month. Rent, utilities, phone bills, these aren't optional expenses. You already pay them on time, month after month. For years, these responsible habits didn't count toward your credit score. They were invisible to credit bureaus. That's changed. Today, tools like rent reporting services and Experian Boost allow you to add these payments to your credit file. This means you can start building credit without changing your spending or taking on debt. The setup is simple. Sign up, securely link your bank account, and choose which payments you want reported. For people starting from zero, and with a thin credit file, this can make a real difference. A full year of on-time rent or utility payments sends a strong signal to lenders: you're reliable, consistent, and low risk. Before you apply for a credit card or loan, use what you already have working for you. This is one of the easiest, lowest risk ways to start your credit journey, and most people completely overlook it. Becoming an authorized user can help you build credit fast, but this is where most people mess up. If you're added to the wrong account, it can hurt your score instead of helping it. Here's how it actually works. When you become an authorized user on someone else's credit card, their payment history and account age can appear on your credit report. If the account has a long history, low balances, and perfect on-time payments, this can give your score a noticeable boost, but only under one condition. This is where most people mess up. They join accounts with high balances or late payments. If the primary cardholder misses a payment or maxes out the card, your credit takes the hit too, even if you never use the card. That's why this strategy requires trust and clear rules. The ideal account has low utilization, a long positive history, and consistent on-time payments. And here's the key: you don't need to spend on the card at all. Being listed on a well-managed account is enough to benefit from it. Use this as a temporary boost, not a long-term dependency. Once you've built your own positive credit history, focus on managing your own accounts responsibly. Authorized user status can help you start, but your own habits are what keep your credit strong. This doesn't mean taking on risky debt or paying interest. It means using controlled credit tools responsibly. After using rent reporting or the authorized user strategy, a secured credit card can be a safe next step. If used correctly, you put down a deposit, and that deposit becomes your limit. There's no borrowed money and no interest when balances are paid in full. Use the card for small predictable purchases and pay the balance in full every month. No exceptions. Never carry a balance. This isn't about borrowing, it's about proving control. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 10%. Low balances signal reliability, not dependence. Avoid shortcuts. Applying for too many cards or chasing quick boosts often backfires. Building strong credit is a long game. Consistency beats speed every time. With steady habits and patience, you can build an excellent credit score without loans, without interest, and without unnecessary risk. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the work. If this helped you see credit differently, subscribe to Credit Clarity.